and welcome to Get Fit, Get Active. Have you been following along with this challenge? There's a daily 7-minute Get Fit, Get Active workout every single day, and I'll link to yesterday's here and hope you can do them. If you're feeling fitter and stronger, you can always sandwich a couple of these workouts together and maybe do something for 14 minutes. Today we are going to do a full body mobility. So are you ready? Have you liked and subscribed? And leave a comment and let me know how you get on with this workout. Here we go. Legs apart. I want you to just rock the hips side to side. So just let the hips go. Let them relax. If you're feeling a little bit stiff, just take your time as we go into our 7 minutes of mobility work. One more. Place the hands on the shoulders. We'll go right and left. Go again, just keep it going. Moving through the shoulders. Let's go again, side to side, just rock. Now roll the shoulders. Here's right and left. You've got it. One more time. Let's go. Hips side to side. Roll the shoulders. One. Now both arms out at the sweep. Forwards and back. Just forwards and back. Just really stretch out the chest and extend the back. Ready with the hips, go again. So it's 1, 4. Good, now the shoulders. Roll back. 4, 5. And again, here's the hips, side to side. Roll the shoulders. Now ready for our shoulder mobility. Circle your right shoulder back. Here's 4, 3. And the left shoulder, circle all the way back. Good, one more, right shoulder. Lovely big circle. So it's really increasing the range of motion through the joints. One more. Hips side to side. 3. Hands on your shoulders, roll them back. 4. Circle your right arm. Left. Now little squats, plies, and lift. See how your knees are feeling as you plie down. Plie, bring it back. Good, 2 more. Squeeze into the glutes. Now stay down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and then come up. 1 and 2 and 3. We're going to do that 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, and lift. One more. Ready to go from the top. Here we go, side to side. 1, 4. Hold the hands on the shoulders. Roll. So a nice energizer. Circle the right arm. 4, 3. Plies. 3, 2, and 1. Come up. Drop the hips side to side. Here we go. 1, 4. Hands on the shoulders. Circle one arm. 2. And then 3 plies. 2. And then come on up. Let's go. Squat down. Touch. How do your knees feel? Good. You can do it. Now again, you don't have to do the deep squat. You could just step across and just bring it forwards and then travel it back. Now let's do some rotation. Bring your hands in front. Squat, center, right rotation. Squat, center, left rotation. And again, sit down, come up, rotation, down, lift, left rotation. 2 more. Good. Right rotation. And again, squat down. Left. Hands down. Here we go. Side bends right to left. And then we're just going to put that all together. Good. One more. Are you ready? Hips side to side. 1. Hands on the shoulders. Right and left. Slow circle back. 4, 3, and then plie for 3, 2, and then come up. Take a squat or a step touch. 2. So moving into the knees and then fall back. And again, 4 step touches. There you go. And then fall back. Nearly there. 3 down again. 3, 2, and 1. Come up, sit right back for 3, 2, and 1. Now open both arms, squeeze forward and open with the chest. Good, just rock. Now take your arms over the top. Let's go into that rainbow. Over. And again, all the way over with the rainbow shape. And then both arms forwards. Sweep and open. 2 more sweep. 1 more. Here we go from the top. Rock and roll. Rock the hips. Hands on the shoulders. 1. Circle. Right. Left. And then 3 plies. And then come up. Here we go. Squat or step touch. 2. And then move back. There. 1 more. Here's 4, 3. And then fall back. We are nearly there with a little get fit, get active. Both arms sweep forward, open. Just really rock. Use your chest, rib cage. Right arm goes over. Left arm. Both together, forward and back. Good, 1 more. Good, now deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. 1 more, breathe in. Breathe out. 2 more, breathe in. Last one, breathe in. Good, breathe out. Good, step touch. And there we go. We are motoring on with our program, aren't we? Make sure you like and subscribe, share the video, and do another one. Check out one of the others, or I'll see you either on the live. I'm live here every day on YouTube, or you can catch the next video in this series, and I'll see you next time.